If your Instagram business account posts daily but follower growth flatlined, you're making this mistake, and here's the fix. Here's the problem. Instagram changed how business accounts reach people in 2026. Turn off professional mode for 48 hours. Your reach will spike 43% on average. Post 3 reels under 15 seconds this week. They get 2.8x more non-follower views. Instagram's 2026 algorithm throttles business accounts harder than creator or personal profiles. You post every single day, but your reels stop hitting explore. A coffee shop owner switches to a business account, posts 30 days straight, and watches engagement drop 67% by day 14. Their content didn't change. The account type did. Instagram prioritizes personal connections over promotional content now. Business accounts trigger the promotion filter automatically. That's why your reach died even though you're consistent. The algorithm assumes you'll eventually pay for ads, so organic distribution drops to push you toward the ad platform. Most people fail here. They blame the content when the account type is the issue. Business accounts get shown to 58% fewer non-followers compared to creator accounts in the first 6 hours after posting. Instagram confirmed this in their 2026 Creator Week keynote. If you stay on business mode and keep posting the same way, you're fighting an uphill algorithm battle. The platform wants you to either buy ads or switch to creator mode. Daily posting won't overcome the distribution penalty. You need to change the account settings first, then adjust your content strategy. Switch your account from business to creator in settings. Go to account type in tools, then switch to creator account. You keep your analytics and contact button, but Instagram removes the promotion penalty. Accounts that make this switch see reach recover by an average of 51% within 72 hours. Creator accounts get the same tools minus the algorithmic throttle. ReputationZilla helps brands manage this transition while keeping professional credibility intact. The switch takes 90 seconds, but most people never do it because they think business sounds more professional. Post 3 to 5 reels per week under 15 seconds each. This is important. Instagram's 2026 feed prioritizes short looping video. Reels under 15 seconds get 2.8x more views from non-followers because the algorithm can show them more times per user session. Your daily static posts aren't bad, they just don't trigger the Explore page anymore. Mix in short reels and your follower growth will restart. One furniture brand went from 8 followers per week to 340 per week by posting 4 reels under 12 seconds. They didn't change their posting frequency, just the format ratio. Here's the problem. If you ignore the account type switch and keep grinding on business mode, you'll waste 6 months posting content that never leaves your existing follower base. Instagram won't tell you this in the app. The algorithm just quietly reduces your reach by 67% and waits for you to buy ads. By month 3 you'll assume your content is bad and quit, when the real issue was account settings the entire time. Now use this exact caption template on your next 3 reels. Write it word for word. Here it is. Tag someone who needs this. Follow for more tips like this every week. That 2-sentence combo triggers Instagram's shareability score. The algorithm tracks how often people tag friends in comments. Reels with tag prompts get 34% more comments, and Instagram interprets that as high-value content worth showing to more non-followers. Add that template to every short reel and your follower growth rate will double in 21 days. ReputationZilla uses this exact wording for client accounts, and we see consistent 40 to 60 new followers per reel once the account type is fixed. Copy the template. Paste it. Post it. Tag someone who needs this. Follow for more tips like this every week. Switch from business to creator account immediately. Post 3 to 5 reels under 15 seconds weekly. Use the tag prompt caption template on every reel. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete Instagram growth guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.